What's up? My name is Caela, and today we're going to be talking about why deaf people don't get cochlear implants or hearing aids and why they don't wear them. So, I just want to first preface this. This is like a hot topic in both the hearing and deaf worlds, and it has a lot of opinions and history and everything behind it, and your opinion is your opinion. If you don't agree with mine, that's fine, but no need to throw some hate. So, being born deaf, a lot of deaf people are born into hearing families who don't learn American Sign Language, and they try to have their children be go under surgery to have a cochlear implant. A cochlear implant's in your head, trying to make you hear. First of all, they don't always work. Second, they're really annoying, uncomfortable. A lot of people who have them don't like them. Third of all, it's also your choice if you want to go under surgery and go have kind of like head surgery to have that, and for like it not to work. Third, a lot of people are really proud of the deaf community and deaf culture. So you don't really need to like try to have fake hearing, because it's not an end-all be-all. It's not a whole fix that you'll be able to hear. You're not going to be able to hear people's talking. You can hear sounds, but that doesn't replace what you think hearing is. And they just don't want it. So yeah, I think personally you shouldn't force cochlear implants on people, especially because people just think it's like an end-all be-all. It's not. Sometimes they fail, sometimes it just is annoying, it gives them headaches, and it's up to the deaf person. It's not up to a hearing person. It shouldn't be. So if you're a hearing person saying, oh my god, they should just wear cochlear implants, you're clearly not educated on the topic and shouldn't have an opinion on it.